Hello everyone in my channel Search Engine Sorcery. My name is Anas. Today I will show you how can to delete all products or page or post from not only here you can only delete 20 products or 20 page or 20 posts. Here I will show you. Here if you do this, you will do this to 2035 34 time. You can do this for delete all products. It's not easy and is take more time of you. Here I will show you how can do this. Let me show you. Here you can go here and you can go to screen option this, and you check here and you can comment here and check I check 4 6 5 8 and okay, this okay, you can go for like this, and you can click here 1 minute. Let's take more time because there's a lot of products and my laptop is not good. Sorry about this. Sorry, my laptop is pressed. You can try for this screen option. If this working of you of 999 is better, but if not working, you can tip 100, 300, 200, 400, and you can tip here. This is best for 20 is she's got too much time for delete all products or post. Here I chip 400, but 400 no working. You can chip what number if you work with you. I think my laptop not good, that's why not working with me, but I got it 100 she's working with me. You can try. If this video help you for get your problem, please give me like, subscribe, and give me and share my video. Thank you so much for watching my. And here you can delete all your trash with one click. You go here and you click here, empty trash. Oh, yeah, you click in empty trash. You see now I don't have any products. I clear all product.